Everyone's heard like what to do after an accident. Let me tell you 3 things not to do after a motorcycle accident, okay? And that could be any kind of motorcycle accident. It could be something in this nice Honda or even in this little Honda right here, right? There's 3 things I want you to always remember not to do. Here's the first one. The first thing after an accident is don't worry about lawyers. Worry about yourself. I hope that you're riding with somebody, because I can tell you right now, after a bike goes down, doing it alone is very hard because you're probably very injured. It's a very difficult time to make important choices. But the first thing is don't worry about calling a lawyer immediately when you go down. The second issue is don't be calling insurance companies on the exact moment of your accident. Like when you're sitting there on the ground, that's not the time to call an insurance company, okay? It's the time to call the police to respond to the event, and it's the time to call an ambulance or to ask the law enforcement that when they arrive, hey, give me a ride to the hospital. It's not the time to call an insurance company. And the last thing I want you to remember not to do is don't talk to any insurance companies if they call you, because it's possible they could call you. You don't need to be answering any questions. I don't care if it's your insurance company or the other driver's insurance company. Don't answer any questions until you talk to a lawyer. But primarily, as I said in the beginning, work on yourself. If you have another rider there who wants to take pictures of the scene, that's great. After a motorcycle accident, the injuries sometimes can be so bad. I want you to focus on yourself, please. Call us so we can help you. Thank you so much.